it's story time. Yes, it is, it's story time. Yes, it is, it's story time. Yes, it is, we use our ears, our eyes, not our mouth. Story time. Yes, it is, it's story time. Yes, it is, it's story time. Yes, it is, we use our ears, our eyes, not our mouth. Today, boys and girls, we're going to read Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. The author name is Eric Litwin. What does the author do? You're right, Kel. The author does write the story. And the illustrator name is James Dean. What does the illustrator do, boys and girls? You're right, Carvel. He draws the pictures. Let's see what Pete the Cat has to say. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with his 4 big buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. They were big, they were colorful. And what shape? You're right, they were round. Groovy button. He loved his buttons so much that he sang his song. My buttons, hey, my buttons, hey, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, hey, my buttons, hey, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! A button fell off. What do you think Pete did? He didn't do anything. The button just rolled away. And how many was left? You're right, because 4 minus 1 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. Did Pete cry? Oh, goodness, no. Buttons come, he said, and buttons go. He kept singing his song. My buttons, hey, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Popped. Oh, no. Another button fell off. And guess what happened? You're right. It rolled away. How many buttons now are left? You're right, because 3 minus 1 equals, let's count, 1, 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He just kept singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Oh my goodness. Another one popped off, Pete the Cat said. And it what? You're right, Kel. It rolled away. How many buttons do Pete the Cat have now? You're right, boys and girls. He has 1 because 2 minus 1 equals 1. What are we doing, Javaria? You're right. We are subtracting. What does subtracting mean, Alice? You're right. It means to take away. Did Pete cry? Oh, goodness, no. He kept singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Oh, my goodness, what happened again? Another button popped off, and what happened? It rolled away. How many buttons are left? You're right. 1 minus 1 equals what? 0. What does 0 mean? None. You are correct. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept singing his song. And Pete looked down. What do you think he saw? He said, I still have a button left. It's my belly button. Can you find your belly button, Javarian? Can you find yours, Cameron? You're right. Where is it? It's in the middle of your stomach. And Pete kept singing his song. My button, I still have my belly button. My button, I still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show, boys and girls, stuff comes and stuff goes. But do we cry? You're right. Goodness, no. Did Pete cry? No. He kept singing his song because he said it was all good. The end. What does the end mean? that the story is over. How would you feel if your buttons popped out, boys and girls? You said you would be sad? You would be kind of angry? What can you do to get your button put back on? Your mama sewed. You are right. What shape was those buttons, guys? They were round like a circle. You're right. How many we started off with? Right, we started off with 4, and we ended up with, because they did what? They sure did. They rolled away. Where do you roll? You can roll outside. What you think else can roll? A ball can roll. You're right, Alice. A tire can roll. Good job, boys and girls. Thank you. Story time is over.